Hey everybody, what's up? Ryan here, and today I have the review of the Vivitar Rugged Series SLR camera holster case. Now this is meant for a DSLR, but you can probably fit something a little smaller in it, such as my Canon PowerShot SX30IS. Now this case is going to come with this piece of foam with the Velcro on the side, so you can fit some tools or cleaning supplies under the bottom of your in the bottom of your bag, and put your camera on top. So what is great about this camera bag is that you can pick it up for a very low price of $24.99, and let's just open it up at the top right up here. And we have this very big pocket in here. I can fit my D3100 in with the 18 to 55 millimeter lens very easily. Now, if I take off my 18 to 55, I will also be able to fit my 55 to 200 millimeter lens in there. Now, you can also attach the neck strap or the shoulder strap. So let me just quickly zip up this bag. And here's the neck strap or shoulder strap. And what is great too is that there's a front pocket right here, the little zipper so you don't drop anything. And it's about average size, so what I usually would keep in there is a microfiber, an SD card wallet, and a lens pen. Now, I also may sometimes just throw in the lens caps when I'm not using them. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Remember, you can follow me on Twitter at RMC Portraits, and please rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.